What's up everyone, Jesse here. So today I'm finna be doing something that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and that's replace the old speakers on my Series 3 XJ6. I'm finna be installing these 4-inch kicker speakers to give my classic Jag a much needed audio upgrade. It needs it, bruh. So let's get to it. Alright, to get started, we have to remove the door panel to access the door speaker. On the Series 3, there's only a few screws holding the panel in place. 2 screws on the switch, and this is only on the driver's side, and then 4 screws on the armrest. First, take off the 2 Phillips screws from the power side mirror switch and unplug it. Next, remove the rest of the screws from the armrest.
It's already loose.
There's a hidden screw behind this cover here. Don't forget that one. It's actually a Phillips head screw. I just don't have a big one that fits there, so I'm using a flathead. And we have to pop this out of place. Once all the screws are out, carefully pop off the door panel. With the door panel off, we can access the speaker cover. Now I don't know why Jaguar never tells you on their speaker which one's negative and positive, but you could tell by the wiring on the Series 3. So this black wire that has a thicker connection will be positive, and this thinner, smaller connection with the white stripe on the wire is the negative. Then take off the nuts holding the speaker in place. I use a 6mm deep socket, but a 6.5mm will fit perfectly. A 7mm is too big. Alright, let's remove the rest of them. Let's install a new kicker speaker. All right. Quick tip, pinch the wire connection slightly to get a snug fit on the speaker terminals. Now that the new speaker's in place, we'll reinstall everything the same way we took it off. Before putting the door panel back, you might as well spray some lubrication on all the moving components so it can help it out. That's it. I'm out. Pop the door panel back on, install the screws, and reattach the power mirror switch, and we're all done. Alright you guys, so we're done. It's the same procedure for the rear doors, except you don't have to remove the window switch. This is only on the driver's side. And by the way, I will be listing the original speakers on my eBay shop. They are in working condition. It's for those that like keeping their Jags original. But the kickers, they just sound so much better. Alright. Alright you guys, so I got the new kicker speakers installed and the audio sounds so much better now. The next thing I want to upgrade is a stereo unit so I can hook up my phone through Bluetooth and install a subwoofer in the trunk, because the hood in me needs the car to slap. I need that bass, but not too loud where the trunk is rattling and I'm losing bolts. That was the old me, the high school Jesse. Now I like my music sounding loud, crispy, clear, clean. I want the subwoofer to enhance the audio overall. Well, thanks for hanging out with me, you guys. And if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.